The function f is given by f of x equals 16 times 49 to the x, which of the following is an equivalent form of f of x. So let me write it out. F of x, 16 times 49 to the x. Now I have a 16, which I know is 4 squared. I have a 49, which I know is 7 squared. 16 is also 2 to the whatever, but let's see what they want me to do. They want me to change 16 to 4 or keep it at 16. Well, 16 is 4 squared, so neither of you. So let's change 49 to 7 squared, and let's see what happens. So 49 is 7 squared to the x. When you have an exponent to an exponent, you multiply the exponents. So this can be written as 16, 7 to the 2x, which is D.